She's sniffling me. She's sniffling. He's got some straw in his mouth. He's pissing her. He's getting retarded. Retarded. Hey, buddy. What's the matter there? Huh? Yeah? Is that what you really want? No? What's not there? Huh? You did an L? To the dome? Yeah? Or was it something I said? No, seriously. Don't get lippy. Rocky. You get lippy, Rocky. Rocky. Knows to happen. That's disgusting, Rocky. You got a fat fur ball. Come from a dingleberry. What do you think? Yummy? No? Dude, what is wrong with you? That was one fucked up pit bull. I think I just straight shot out. Poor guy, just burnt the fuck out. Rocky, what is your issue today? No? No? Get yours straight. What's that? Kitty. Is that a kitty? Come on, dude. Get the hell out of here.